Hey there, superstars! Welcome to For Kids Preschool channel, the place where fun meets learning. Here, you can learn awesome things like cool origami, fun drawing, silly games, alphabets and phonics, numbers and counters, magical stories, and so much more. So hit that subscribe button, grab your crayons, and let's learn having a blast. Let the fun begin. Let's learn the letter sounds. Level 1. What is phonics? Phonics is where we learn the sound of each letter and not the name of the letter. Confused? Let me explain. These are the alphabets. I'm sure you know the alphabets. But do you know the consonants and the vowels? Come on, let's learn it. First, let's look at the vowels. A. A as in apple. E. E as in elephant. E as in ice cream. O as in orange. As in umbrella. Now let's look at the consonants. B. B as in ball. K. K as in cat. D. D as in dog. F as in fish. G. G as in grapes. H. H as in heart. J. J as in jelly. K. K as in kite. L. L as in lion. M. M as in monkey. N. N as in nest. P. P as in penguin. K. K as in quill. R. R as in rabbit. S. S as in sun. T. T as in tent. V. V as in vase. W. W as in wizard.
as in xylophone. Y. Y as in yacht. Z. Z as in zebra. Great job! Now you know the vowels and the consonants. The vowel has the V letter and the consonant has the C letter. Blending the C, V, C words. Consonant, vowel, consonant words. Next, we are gonna learn to blend the CVC words. K, A, T, cat. I see a cat. D, O, G, the dog can run. S, A, N, sun, the sun is hot. P, A, N, pen, I have a pen. M, O, P, mop, the mop is wet. Now it's your turn. Try to blend these words now. Feel free to pause the video to practice. Thank you for learning phonics with me. Come back for more. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe, press the like button, comment and share it with your friends.